Welcome back. Vegetarian is easy and delicious. Today we're making 100% plant-based vegetarian minced meat stir-fried eggplant.
Got it! You're using soybean pulp OKARA to make a textured, minced meat substitute for this dish. Soy flakes is the soybean pulp left after straining soy milk or tofu production. It's rich in fiber and plant-based protein with a loose, coarse texture that can be turned into vegan minced meat. Ingredients: eggplant, soy flakes, ginger, tofu paste. Air fryer or deep frying soy flakes first quickly removes moisture, creating a crispy texture similar to browned minced meat, preventing mushiness when stir-fried later. Air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes or dry pan fry, though the aroma won't be as rich as deep frying, but it's less oil and healthier. Ginger masks beanie flavors. Its active compound gingerol neutralizes OKARA's slight bitterness while enhancing the dish's umami. Frying ginger in oil unlocks its full fragrance, complementing the crispy OKARA's depth. Steaming eggplant first 5 minutes softens fibers, reduces oil absorption, and preserves a creamy texture when stir-fried. Squeezing excess water post-steaming prevents sogginess, helping OKARA and sauce cling better for intense flavor. vs. Deep frying. Steaming is healthier, but a quick pan sear post-steam adds light crispness. To keep the eggplant skin from discoloring, *** brush it with white vinegar or lemon juice before steaming. The acidic compounds inhibit oxidase activity, preventing the skin from turning brown and preserving its vibrant purple color, similar to how apples stay fresh with lemon juice. Oops, I forgot to brush the vinegar, so the eggplant skin isn't as pretty. But who cares, it still tastes delicious. Cut eggplant into sections and set aside. Cut into sections. Vertical strips finger-sized keep a firm skin and creamy interior after cooking, offering better texture than thin slices. Let's start cooking. Fry minced ginger in hot oil. Its gingerol compounds activate, eliminating odors and enhancing umami as the flavor foundation. Stir-fry tofu until all turns red. Fermented chili bean paste blooms in heat, infusing the dish with spicy depth and rich color. Add just 15 milliliters water, enough to steam evenly without soupy results, letting OKARA and eggplant absorb flavors while staying tender. Seasoning with sugar to taste. Since the tofu paste is already salty, remember to taste first before adding extra seasoning. Toss in eggplant and stir-fry. Stir-fry half the soy flakes into the dish for a tender, meaty texture. Then sprinkle the other half on top at the end for a crispy crunch. Double the texture, double the fun. Stir-fry eggplant and soy flakes with tofu is ready to be served. Sprinkle crunchy soy flakes on top. Soy flakes is the MVP of vegan minced meat. Its porous texture mimics meat fibers, turning juicy and chewy when cooked. A nutrient powerhouse, 12 grams protein, 100 grams, 0 cholesterol, and a toasty aroma that rivals real meat when pan-fried. Eco-friendly and budget genius. Upcycles soy waste into versatile meat for global dishes, from Japanese curry to Thai basil pork. Low-cal, high-fiber, at 25 kcal, 100 grams. Its pectin and fiber aid digestion especially when eaten with the skin. Anthocyanin powerhouse. Purple skin's antioxidants thrive when cooked with oil, boosting nutrient bioavailability. Blood pressure support. Compounds like salicylidine and potassium counterbalance sodium intake. Savory spicy umami bomb. Fermented teochew paste melds with eggplant's creaminess, creating a Sichuan-style depth. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.